Joe Mama. It's time to go to school.
Why school? I hate school.
I don't care. I'll send you to school. All right, everyone. Let's study math.
Teacher? Can I go to the bathroom?
Seriously, Joe Mama. The class is just starting right now. Please be hurry.
Hey. The teacher doesn't know I am ringing the school bell. Let's ring the school bell. Let's ring the school bell. Hey! What are you doing in my office? I ring the school bell. Oh. How dare you ring the school bell? You know it's not lunchtime. You're suspended. And that's it. I'm gonna call your aunt for this.
Whoa. Joe Mama. How dare you ring the school bell? That's it. You're grounded big time.
W-A.